Hello, Miss Yuan. Over the past 2 weeks of my internship, these have been pretty intensive. I feel like I'm absorbing a huge amount of knowledge at a breakneck speed. In the first week, we started with Selenium with C Sharp and Unit, which marked the beginning of the real coding phase. The deeper I got into this, the heavier the knowledge became, and honestly, it was a bit overwhelming. After the tourist day of the learning Selenium, I had to start building with framework and writing code to scale different scenarios. It was my first time doing something like this, creating an entire subcode, adjusting the framework, and managing everything on my own within just a few days. On the top list, the deadline we also quite challenging because of the holiday. Our mentor moved the deadlines to the following Monday. However, we only start coding on Tuesday, and the project could only be done on the company's network. Yeah. Additionally, we had a soft skill training on Thursday and Friday, which mean I had um, to go to the office on Saturday to catch up. But thankfully, my mentor was there to guide us. Despite the rest, I managed to finish my work that day, and honestly, I felt like a superhero moment, building a whole new sort of code in just 3 to 4 days with fresh knowledge. Um, During this break, I also took short scale session covering effective communication skill, teamwork spirit development, time management, thinking methods, and problem solving. The classes were mostly practical, which made them quite fun and refreshing. It was a nice break from the intensive coding, and the trainers made it even better with mind-bending games that help us thus secure the stress. Yeah. For English, I continued my study on Confluent with mathematics, uh, taking different the topic each week. Some of the lessons were quite challenging, but the good thing is, can I repeat the lesson as much as I need, which really helps with long-term retention. Even after just 1 week, I feel like I leveled up, learning fast, coding fast, and pushing my limits like never before. Yeah. Uh, oh my God. In the second week, thing really I got intensive. Officially I joined a project group for a mock project, working alongside Java developers, product owner, uh, project manager, and business analyst. This means my schedule become even tighter, with 4 hours of learning and 4 hours of project work each day. During this time, I focused on API testing and REST API automation, and worked on my final for Selenium with C Sharp. It was a real balancing act, trying to keep up with pro learning and project. The project lasts only a month, so the pace is pretty intense. But having experienced team member around to guide me whenever I get stuck has been uh, hurt and motivation push Finally, I getting to work on a real project with my teammates felt like a significant step forward. It gave me a taste of the real project environment. Even thought I haven't had the chance to interact directly with the client yes. Yeah, we're also using the ASOS room model, which felt surprisingly familiar as is familiar similar to the approach we used to for project group project at school. It's nice to see the concept I learned in class come to life in a real world setting. Yeah. After these 2 weeks, I can say that I grew a lot, but both in terms of technical skill and the way I approach problem solving. I can see how much I was changed already, and I am excited to keep pushing myself further. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Yeah.